we had another casualty at the sawmill because I can't just do one thing without something breaking. My water jug busted, and it's my own full fault for letting it sit out here in the sun. It just got brittle. What was funny was I filled it up with 5 gallons of water, just grabbed it, threw it up there on the rack. You know, wasn't careful with it at all, and it didn't crack doing that, or at least not visibly, not noticeably. Got through sawing one whole log and went to come in here and just make a blade adjustment or something, and there was just fluid just pouring down. And my first thought was, oh my God, fuel leak. You know, just like, I don't know why, my mind just went to fuel leak. And then I looked up and see this thing just busted wide open, and you can see it's just, I mean, it's just brittle as can be. It just bust pieces off. But this valve is, I don't know, some sort of non-standard thread. I was hoping it was the same size as a gas can, so I could just use an empty gas can and fill it up with water and throw it up there, but it's not. It's smaller. And then it dawned on me, I took the valve off, and I thought that valve looks an awful lot like the little valve on my bottling bucket that I use when I make wine. So I got up in the attic, and sure enough, this little valve is smaller than those threads, but it fits my bucket here. And this, what was important was that this nipple was the same size. So I've got a stopgap for the day. I've got her filled up with water. So long as it doesn't shake and rattle its way off there, I might move this hose inside this bracket just so it can't, if it tries to shake its way out, it'll hit that. That's probably a good idea. But it's enough that I can saw for today. So I'm gonna try my hand here at making some siding. We'll see how that goes, just trying to saw out 1/4 inch thin little slats. See how that goes. If I can't get them that thin, because that's how that hardy board, it's not tapered like your lap board siding, it's just 1/4 inch flat. So I'm going to try that. If I can't get them to hold together, then I guess I'll go for a lap board siding, but we'll see what happens. But really, just want to show you guys, you know, I was sitting there thinking, you know, I'm going to be running to town, I'm going to be packing this valve around with me, trying to find a container that matches the valve. No, just find a whole new container, and didn't have to go to town, didn't have to do nothing. The only problem, of course, is now when I go to make wine again someday, my valve's going to be out here and all nasty, so then I'll have to go get a new valve then. But I'll cross that bridge when I get there. I don't have any immediate plans to make wine. I do have immediate plans to saw some timber.